Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Clash Royale application on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once it is, open your App Store. In the search box at the top of the screen, type in Clash Royale. In the search result, look for the Clash Royale application from Supercell, which looks like this, and tap on the Get button to start downloading Clash Royale on your iOS device. Follow through the prompts and then sign in with your Apple ID and password if prompted. You can also log in using your Face ID or Touch ID and your download should start. Clash Royale is a popular real-time strategy game. It combines elements of collectible card games, tower defense, and multiplayer online battle arenas. Wait until the application downloads, and once it does, you can then open the Clash Royale application and start enjoying the game. That is how you easily download Clash Royale on iOS device. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Clash Royale tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.